All right. I greet every one of you from Delta North. You are from Kwale, you are from Ndokwa, you are from Indemini, you are from Oshimiri South, Oshimiri North, you are from Anyocha South, Anyocha North, you are from Eka South, Eka Northeast, Eka, the new constituency that is being initiated. Listen and listen very attentively. A lot of us are fighting ignorantly because we have had the name Senatorial. They call you, some of you said because Okowa is an Eka person, based on sentiment, you are supporting Okowa, even when you know that Okowa is not qualified to represent us at this point in time. But out of sentiment and ignorance, you want to take us backward, 20 years backward from the present day today. Now, when we look at what is happening today in Delta North, Okowa has turned the political corridor of Delta North to become a family affair. And that is why majority of the youth of Delta North are not ashamed to support Okowa senatorial build, support Okowa in-law House of Representative bill, support Okowa daughter House of Assembly bill. It becomes a family representative affair for Delta North. Let me tell you, they say that youth are the leaders of tomorrow. But I've come to realize in the life of the youth of Delta North today, that youth of Delta North are leaders of, what is it called? Tomorrow. No, they are youth of, what is it? Youth, they are leaders of today's propaganda. Nobody wants to stand on what is right. You can imagine when your father has served Okowa, your father is no more, you are now serving Okowa's daughter. When are you going to be served? Everything that boiled down within the Delta North has become a family affair. Let me call your attention that for us to build an enviable Delta North and a Neoma state, we need to put aside sentiment, we need to put aside biasness, we need to embrace what is called naturality. We need to go for quality, not quantity. We need to vote for somebody who has the interests of the people of Delta North at heart. Not just those who are grouping political courtesan, making themselves to remain forever relevant. Now, Okowa, for instance, is not a good product. For a fact that he has been indicted and they are yet to come out with a paper proving that Okowa is not what EFCC say he is, nobody should see him as a marketable product. And this is why I'm still also calling the person of, what is it called? Honorable Sheriff Oborowere, a governor. I know that they said that one good turn deserves another. For sure, everyone know that you became a governor because Okowa chose you among others that were aspiring to be governor. I know you want to pay him back by making you a governor. But at this point in time, Okowa misused Delta State Fund, using it to run for campaign 2023. We are here to clear that allegation and coming up again to use Delta North money, to sponsor the same Okowa to go into Senate is an affront and is also an insult to the people of Delta North. We are not going to take it. Governor Sheriff, your re-election bill is already under threat. Is already under threat by trying to fill in Okowa and his family against our choice. Your re-election bid is already under threat. You might look at this video and say, who is this man talking? Who is this boy saying he has nothing to do? But I promise you, on the D-Day, you will understand that we have something to do. Go and ask your men that has worked in the field with us 2023. What actually happened 2023? We are ready to make it happen times 20. When majority of you will be disappointed, don't fight to become the first governor of Delta State that was unseated, that run for one tenure. But this is what is trying to become, because if you don't trade cautionly, we'll make it happen. Okowa is a bad product. So to every youth of Delta North, I want you to stand for what is right. I want you to stand for what is just. I want you to stand for what will benefit every one of us, irrespective of your political affiliation or whatsoever you think you believe. And your marimma or in an incha, you share